You wash your face every day, right? But here's the truth. Most people are doing it completely wrong. And that one small mistake could be the reason behind breakouts, dryness, or dull skin. Yes, even if you're using a high-quality face wash. In today's video, I'm going to show you the correct way to use face wash, step by step. From choosing the right face wash for your skin type, to the amount you should use, how long to massage it in, and even the temperature of water, everything matters. And if you think splashing water and rubbing quickly is enough, trust me, it's not. A few small changes in your routine can bring big results, like fewer pimples, less oiliness, and brighter, healthier skin. So if you really want your face wash to work and your skin to thank you, watch till the end and fix these common mistakes today. And hey, if skincare that actually works is your thing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more real, honest tips. Let's treat our skin right, the smart way.